Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. And please stay connected with us. What are the benefits of the life insurance policy plans? Once you get and understand what is life insurance meaning as well as the different types of the life insurance, you will find that there are three main advantages getting the best life insurance policies that you should know about. The following are the three primary benefits offered by different types of the life insurance. Number first, financial security. Life insurance is under predictable and can be of uncertain tendencies. It is difficult to reduce the possibility of an unfortunate event like a death in such a scenario. The family faces financial constraints are arising from the lack of a steady income. Investing the best life insurance policies early in life acts as safety a blanket during such a eventually. According to the life insurance definition, the insurance provider is obliged to pay the income nominee or the beneficiaries. They have predefined some scenario. As a result, even in the policy absence, as family. Also read from here, long-term savings. Number second is long-term savings. If one wants to make long-term insurance investments, it is important to think about life insurance. Meaning such insurance plans help you to get insurance makes way to some systematic savings and create a corpus which can be used for the civil reasons such as building new home income and the quality such for schooling for your children and functioning and funding children's marriage expenses. What's more, when you learn the insurance definition, you will find some type of insurance policies is often for monthly payout in the month in the form of annuities, which is an ideal way to aim at achieve retirement goals. Number three is investment. Understanding the meaning of the life insurance in your financial context will allow you to plan your investment efficiently. As well as life insurance provides offer unit linked investment plans and ULIPs, which are the mainly invested instructions based on the market linked returns. And life insurance meaning you can get a dual benefit with a single financial product. This market like linked life insurance products provides significant gains during the maturity before or making them reliable uh, investment tool. Tax benefits. According to the life insurance definition, you are required to pay regular premiums to keep the policy active within the life insurance plans. You also get tax benefits under prevailing laws as per Income Tax Act 1961. The life insurance premium paid can be availed as a tax deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. You can avail of the deduction of up to Rs 1.5 lakh under Section 80C. Read more from here. Family financial planning starts here. Tax expenditures up to Rs 55 for $100, and the high life cover at affordable premiums. Claim paid ratio 99.34%, and the coverage agents 64% for critical illness. What are the different types of life insurance? Term life insurance plans and the pure risk of covers, and these are the types of the loans.